I bumped him plenty, but...
You give him a little nudge on the back?
Yeah, I couldn't do anything without outright
Hey,
spitting.
sweetie.
That's what you needed to do.
That's probably what I should have done.
Did you go on the train?
I could have.
Did you go on the choo-choo train?
I could have pushed through, but when he started spinning, I got it back.
Oh, you have bubbles.
Here, watch.
Oh, you're going to sneeze? Bless you.
Oh, what do you want to do next, Sienna? Choo-choo train again?
It's about time.
Yeah, actually it is.
You want to go in the car?
Yeah. We got more dad out.
Maybe in about 5 years.
It's kind of cute though, too.
Maybe in about 5 years.
What car?
What are you doing there,
Which
Evie?
car? That car?
Huh?
Those cars? Oh boy.